In this video, I will tell you how to fix AOL app not working problem. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down and tap on app management option. You can also search it. So now tap on app list and here tap on search bar and type AOL, or manually you can find it. Simply tap on AOL option, then tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache and as well as clear data. After clearing these options, close this option and open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and tap on search option below. Now tap on search bar and type AOL, and now simply tap on this, and here you can see update option. So simply tap on this and update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.